Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today we'll be making the Nature's Paintings kit. Get ready to have fun practicing watercoloring techniques with this kit. With a book of printed nature-themed watercolor paper pages, watercolor pencils, and one aqua painter, you can color these pages to display in frames or use them for card fronts and memory-keeping pages. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or rewind the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. I loved practicing this coloring technique so that I could use it in my other paper crafting projects. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products, and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!